Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect boiled egg. So in this pan I have with me water, enough water so that the eggs fully immerse in it. Normal running this thing, I'm going to make 2 boiled eggs. So there are 3 kinds of eggs. Soft boil, a medium boil and a hard boil. For each one of them the temperatures vary. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do a medium boil and a hard boil. Make sure that the eggs are immersed in water. The key to the perfect boiled egg is timing. It has to be precise. If you cook it a little too much, it's going to be hard and the exterior is going to be really rough. You don't want to keep the heat too high. You want to keep it on medium heat because again, the exteriors will cook really fast while the interior will not be the right consistency that you would want. So once the water starts simmering, that's the time when you should start your timer. For the medium boil, it should be 4.5 minutes from the time the water starts simmering. And for a hard boil, it's going to be 8 minutes. The stopwatch is ready. Once this water starts simmering, I am going to watch it. So the water has started simmering now and I'm just going to leave the temperature as it is and start my stopwatch. At 4.5 minutes, I'm going to remove one of the eggs, which is going to be a medium boil, and 8 minutes for the hard boiled egg. So it's been 4.5 minutes. Now I'm going to remove one of the eggs, and with me I have here is running water with a little bit of ice. So the first thing that you need to do is avoid carryover cooking, which happens after you've removed it from the heat. Since it's still hot, the egg is still cooking inside. So I'll just place it in cold water for some time, and this will also help me get the shell off easily. The timer is running. The other one is going to be cooked for another 4 minutes. So this is the medium boiled egg. As you can see, it's medium boiled from the inside. Still a little runny, but not absolutely boiled. And now it's time to take out the hard boil. Let it cool down a little bit. You can see the shell is already coming off. Don't worry about the egg being cold because it does nothing to it. It only helps in stopping it from cooking further. So here is my hard boiled egg. I'm just going to slice through it. As you can see, the yolk is hard and not medium boiled. And there you have it. 2 kinds of eggs. One is your medium boil, one is your hard boil. Different timing, same pan, very easy. You just have to be precise about the timing. Make sure you have your timer ready to get the perfect boiled egg. So I hope you enjoyed that and hope you will try this at home. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode and another easy recipe. So have a nice day. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making basic cheese omelette. I'm going to make my omelette with 3 eggs because the more the merrier. Some salt, just basic seasoning. If you want, you can add herbs, green chilies, and this is some white pepper. And now grated cheddar. I'm just going to mix some in it and some I'll put when the omelette's being cooked. There'll be double cheese. You beat the eggs nicely. Some olive oil in the pan. Let the oil heat a little bit in the pan for about half a minute on medium-high flame, and I'm going to pour my egg mixture. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add some cheese on top as well so it melts in with the egg. If you're adding a lot of cheese, make sure you don't put a lot of salt because cheese itself has salt and then your omelette will end up being extra salty and you don't want that. As you can see, I've used a little deep dish so that the omelette gets a little thick and fluffy. Cook this for maximum 5 minutes. You'll see it. Once the bottom is cooking and the layer on top gets nicely cooked and the cheese melts. I've switched off the heat and now I'm just going to let it rest for about half a minute to 45 seconds so that it cooks through. It already has at the bottom, just letting the cheese probably melt on top and it being just slightly runny on the top as a classic French omelette. You can see it's slightly runny but not raw. The cheese has blended in with the egg just fine. Classic cheese omelette. As you can see, it's got a nice toasted color, the perfect breakfast and a good consistency. It's nice and fluffy as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.